This is a Russian Kamikaze drone which the Ukrainians found abandoned in a field. It's a real Heath Robinson affair. It appears to be an off-the-shelf cheap hobby drone, so let's just watch the video.
От такі от підари скинули нам прикольчик. Збили пацани дрон, підключений електродетонатор. І непонятно, чи стоїть на замкнутий, чи на розімкнутий контакт. Коротше, будемо зараз його пробувати. Знімай.
The big white lump held on with zip ties is explosives, and you can see the detonator and the wires coming from the detonator on the left-hand side.
Ось такий ми сьогодні знешкодили дрон Камікадзе. Значить, принцип роботи його який? Перед камерою стоїть два алюмінієвих вусика.
Now they're talking about the method of detonation, which is those two wires there. They simply stick out in front of the drone, and when it hits something, they come together. That makes an electrical contact that sets off the detonator, that sets off the explosive.
Які працюють на замкнутий контакт на електродетонаторі на отакій болванці з пластидом. Пластид приблизно вага десь 300 грам, напічкано металевою шрапнеллю, шариками від підшипників.
Now, I don't speak Ukrainian, but I believe what he's saying is that the main charge is plastic explosive surrounded by metal fragments like nails, bolts and things.
І до нього прив'язана була крона. Тобто дрон Камікадзе летить прямо в окоп, в бліндаж, вдаряється оціми вусиками, які стоять перед камерою на цьому дроні. Замикають контакт на батарейку і срабатує електродетонатор з цією пластидою.
And I believe he's just accused the Russians of nicking the idea for that detonation mechanism from the Ukrainians. If you know or speak Ukrainian, please drop me a note in the comments to let me know if I got that right or not. Thank you. Well, thanks for watching. I hope you found my video interesting. If you did, then please do me a big favour and hit that like button. Helps my channel out enormously and helps other people like you to find videos like this. I'm uploading informational videos about the Russo-Ukrainian war every single day. In fact, I've got over 180 such videos live so far, so you might like to check out my channel and subscribe and click the notification bell so you never miss a new one. And finally, I'd like to make better videos for you. But I survive on a small pension and I'm working with a very old and very slow computer and freeware editing programs. So, if you could help me out by buying me a coffee, the link's down in the description below, I might soon be able to improve my production values and deliver you a much better service. Well, that's all for now, but there's lots more to come, so I hope to see you very soon.